Hello friends, Satish Tiwari here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur, and you guys are watching my YouTube channel /root.in. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to set up Samba server in Kali Linux. Samba server configuration in Kali Linux. First of all, the first step is to install the package. Install Samba -y. So this command will install the package. The package has been already installed with the latest version. Now clear this screen. The second step to configure the Samba file. The Samba configuration file is vim etc samba smb.conf. This is the Samba configuration file. Go at the last line of this file and we have to add few lines. So let's go. You can directly use page down key. Okay, and just go to the last line, go to the insert mode and write these 4 lines. In the bracket you have to write the name of the folder. Suppose I want to share data folder, so I will type data, and then I have to give the path of the data folder. Suppose my data folder path is /data, so I am going to create data folder. Now browsable is equal to yes, so this folder is, or this directory is browsable. Read only is equal to no, because we don't want only read only. Okay, so just put read only. Okay, there is no underscore, I think. Read only. Okay, read only no, and just save it. After saving, you have to create the password for Samba user. We by default has a root user, so you can create password, Samba password for user root. You can run smb passwd -a and the username root. Now Samba password for root user, suppose 123456. 123456. Enter. Done. Clear this screen. Now it's time to create the folder. Now you know how to create a folder. mkdir, the folder name is data. After creating data, you can assign permission so that everyone has access on this folder. So you can run chmod -r 777 and the permission on data folder. So we have given the permission. After that, you can go inside the data folder and create some demo file. So right now I am inside the data folder, and here I am going to run some demo file like touch A to Z, suppose dot PDF file. So there are so many files here, A to Z PDF files for demonstration only. Okay. Now you can type cd command, come out of this folder, clear the screen. And now it's time to restart the service. So service SMBD restart. After this, you have to start another service NMBD restart. Okay, and now done. Now you can see your IP address. What is your IP address? So IP address of this server machine is 192.168.29.27. So what you need to do, you can go to your Windows machine here and press Windows plus R, and then you have to type / and the IP address 192.168.29.27. Okay, so you just need to type the IP address of your server, Samba server, and that's all. Press OK. It will ask for username and password. Just type the username. What is username? Root. The password is 123456. Press enter and done. Here you can see the data folder. Okay, and when you go to data folder, you can see all those PDF files, A to Z PDF files which we have created. Okay guys, and if you want to download it, open it, you can do this. Okay, there is an option for this. You can also save it. You can also rename so many things for this. So it's your option. Now using this Samba server, you can transfer data from Windows to Linux and Linux to Windows. So to and fro data transfer will take place with the help of Samba server between your Windows and Linux machine. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, you can ask me to the comment section, and if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thank you for watching.